Hello, East Stanley Bears is our new lesson for today. It's rounding decimals. So just a quick little overview on how do we round decimals. Well, first thing we do, we have to figure out what place value we're rounding to. These two problems are rounding to the tenth, so I have to find the tenth place. I know the tenth place is the first decimal place, so I'm going to underline that. So now, East Stanley Bears, how I've taught you to round is use a number line, and that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to draw a basic number line. One side is going to do what this side is, and then these two numbers are zeros. This side, I'm going to take the value I underline and take it up one. So it'll be a 2 with 2 zeros. Then my middle place would be 5.1. This number turns to a 5. And then the 0. So now I can put my number on my number line. So where would this part go? So I have, where would 183 fall on my number line? Well, here's 100, 150, 200. So it's going to go over here. So that means my number rounds to this. It can also be written as 5 and 2/10 since we're rounding to the 10th place. Okay, again, over here, we're still rounding to the 10th place. I'm going to make my basic number line. So this side is 12 and 0/10. This side would go one up, would be 12 and 1/10. And the middle would be 12 and that would be 0 and it'd be 50. So now I'm going to put this number on my number line, 13. Where would it go? It would go over here. So it rounds to here. So this equals 12 and 0/10, so I can just keep it as 12. Okay? So that's rounding to the tenths. Rounding to the hundredths is the exact same. We're just using a different place value. So when we round to the hundredths, we're going to underline the hundredths place value. It is the second decimal place. So I'm going to write my number line. And Miss Frances is going to get on her knees. So I have 6 and 8/2. Last digit comes to 0. Over here, keep all the way to my underline. Now my underline goes up 1, so that would be 3. Then my middle, 6. 8. 2 stays the same. Last digit becomes a 5. So we're putting this number on the number line, 829. Here's 820, 825, 830. It would go here. So we'd circle the closer side. So this equals 6 and 83 hundredths. We don't have to put the 0 because we're only dealing with the hundredths place. Okay, now this last one's a little different. I want to throw a little harder one to you. Same process. Makes it a lot easier on the number line. I have my hundredths place, so 98 and 98 hundredths. Over here is 98 and 99 hundredths. And then in our middle would be 98 and 985 hundredths. Put our 984 on, it would go here. So 98 and 98 hundredths. So that is our lesson for today, our first lesson of the week. So if you have any questions, let me know and we'll go